Site Builder is the quicker, easier way to create websites that look great on web, tablet and phone. Edit text and images and see changes instantly on each kind of device. Page layouts adapt to keep the site looking great at any size. Add forms, maps, videos and everything you need to win business. Site Builder comes with a collection of fresh and attractive designs, with more added every month. You can change to a new design anytime. Publishing your site takes just 2 clicks. There are no extra steps to make a mobile version. As your business grows, your site can grow too. Add pages, folders and drop-down menus to make everything easy to find. Increase the visual impact of your site with full-screen images. Attract attention with a slideshow or create a gallery and show your images off at their best. Our stock image library lets you choose from over 2 million high-quality images. An image editor is built in, so you can add frames, stickers, and change the look of any image. Site Builder makes it simple to create a website that is great for you, your customers, and your business.